Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 37. We are currently continuing our look around San Francisco. Today we're beginning at the corner of Stockton and Washington streets, stepping right into the heart of Chinatown and making our way down the narrow alleyway of Spofford Street before emerging onto Clay Street. At Stockton and Washington, the neighborhood energy is unmistakable. This corner is always alive with movement, small markets displaying fresh vegetables and herbs, the sound of conversations in Cantonese, and traffic passing steadily through the intersection. It's a busy gateway that instantly immerses you in the daily rhythm of Chinatown. Turning into Spofford Street, everything suddenly feels more intimate. This narrow alley, just a block long, is lined with historic buildings that tell the story of San Francisco's Chinese-American community. Brightly colored murals decorate some walls, while signs and doorways reveal family associations and cultural organizations that have been here for generations. Unlike the main street where vendors and shoppers dominate, Spofford feels quieter, almost hidden, a reminder of how life in Chinatown often unfolds in its tucked-away alleys as much as its bustling thoroughfares. Walking through, you'll notice the scale of the buildings, 3 or 4 stories high, close together, with fire escapes above and doorways opening directly onto the alley. It's easy to imagine how narrow lanes once served an important social and cultural space binding the community together. At the end of Spofford, you emerge onto Clay Street. The contrast is striking, from the quiet intimacy of the alley back into the broader rush of city life. Clay Street carries traffic and pedestrians alike, and it's here that you really feel the layering of Chinatown within the larger grid of San Francisco. This short walk from Washington to Clay is a perfect reminder of how in just a few steps, San Francisco shifts moods, from the wide avenues of the city arteries to the hidden alleys where stories of community and history live on.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.